Mar jochiw arita mano Kenya National Private Security Workers Union okwedo paro ma piny owacho ni godo matiyo gi apisas mag NYS e rito mwandu mag piny owacho. Mae tok jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua lando odiochieng' manyoro ni piny owacho biro tiyo kodgi e rito ute mag piny owacho. Jakom mar jochiw arita Isaac Adambwa nowacho ni tiyo gi NYS dhi hinyogi kendo thothgi biro lalo tijegi kod yuto maggi.
Solidarity forever. It is properly defined. National Youth Service was supposed to bring discipline katika youthful Kenyans as a process of reform. Haikuwa intended tena create private security through National Youth Service. That is totally misplaced and wrong. Sisi tunataka academy ya private security. So that the mambo ya reform agenda katika hii sector ikuwe actualized, ikuwe practical, na tukuwe na hiyo mambo ya kusema progressive career path. Sindio? Uwezi kaa pala atuwe ni private security officer, miaka 50 na retire atuwe tu ni private security officer. We must put motivation kwa bawabu. We must put motivation through mambo ya grading, just like any other force. We complement our role. Nataka niambie Deputy President, our role, we complement national security agents. We are not a competitor to the police, and we are not equal to National Youth Service.